Hi there, Toby here. So if you observe yourself as you go about your daily life, one thing you might start to notice is that occasionally you'll drop into a state of body, mind and heart that when you're in that state, you seem to have access to a lot more energy than you do normally. So the course that I'm offering here on this page is an invitation to start to notice that and start to systematically build access to states of body, mind and heart that consistently give rise to a higher degree of energy and give rise to a predisposition within you towards affirmative action that empower you towards dynamic action in your life, and I'll be explaining then how to build a practice around these particular types of states of body, mind and heart, so that you can go about your daily life spending most of your time in a state of body, mind and heart that is predisposed to energy, well-being, dynamism, empowerment. So this is just a very short video to invite you to participate. Please read the sections below in order to get a little bit more knowledge about the particulars. But yeah, this is Toby signing off. I've said what I need to say. Thanks very much.